Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So firstly, what you will have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key, but as you can see, unfortunately it says you enter PIN to turn off phone, so you can't really do it. So in that case, what you'll have to do is to quickly hold down power key plus volume down to forcefully turn off your device. And after the screen turns off, immediately you have to release both the keys and then quickly hold down power key plus volume up in order to proceed. So like when I tell it, it may sound complicated, but when I do it, it's much easier. So let's get it. We just hold down volume down plus power key, then the screen goes off, we quickly release the keys and hold down volume up and power key, and that's the way we do it. And after we see Samsung logo, we can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, you should use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option wipe data factory reset. So basically, usually it must be like in English, not in Spanish. And you should select the second option, which stands for factory data reset. So you just select it, and after you see the message data wipe complete here, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.